heavy breathing.
Obscene phone call for you, Byron.
We've got all the goodies
This is
for you
cool.
today.
Look at this thing. I can't wait to try this out. They say it's a voice
Obviously,
changer.
you can't wait. You are trying it out. A little Star Wars hoopla this morning. We're going to get into the spirit. It's going to be kind of a
Yeah.
Star Wars sort
It's
of
going to be
day.
fun.
A theme. Randall will be out this morning
Randa's
as
out,
well.
yeah.
Good stuff.
So if you're up and awake and you don't have anything better to do today, run down to Showplace Cinemas East on Morgan Avenue. 7 o'clock is when the show starts, but she wants to talk to you early, matinee prices. So, all right, it's the day, as we've been talking about, Star Wars fans have been looking forward to since the last Star Wars movie was released.
That's right. Local fans got their first look at Revenge of the Sith just a few hours ago, but they started lining up long before midnight. The lobby, even the hallways, filled with anxious Jedis waiting for their chance to become one with the Force, some even getting in a little practice on their lightsaber skills. Ooh, watch it there, kiddo. Many had dressed up as their favorite characters for the occasion. Showplace Cinemas sold out several midnight showings days ago, and there's one more to come in the next couple of hours. So if you were unable to make the midnight showing, as we've been mentioning, or some local Star Wars fans have had their first look at the final installment of the Star Wars series. Folks began jamming the local theaters well in advance of the scheduled midnight showings, most of which have been sold out for days. Revenge of the Sith is the third prequel to the original Star Wars movie. Randa Stewart will join us live on the road in our next hour as we get ready for a special 7 a.m. showing at Showplace East, so come out and breathe heavily on us. New Vanderbilt